We wanted to take all the power of the Raspberry Pi and combine it with the robust modularity that you get from something like Lego Technic, and the result is this. The Robotics Kit is made up of strong metallic build plates and brackets that snap together with rivets in a limitless number of configurations, and also included are geared motors, servos, sensor mounts, and an HD camera. You can build whatever you want. As an example, here's 3 rovers built in 3 totally different ways. This one is programmed purely in Python and controlled manually by a joystick. This rover runs ROS and it hosts its own web page, which can be accessed from a phone or a laptop to remotely see from the onboard camera and control it. And this one is running .NET libraries developed in collaboration with Microsoft that add the robot as a member of a Microsoft Teams chat. The thing that really sets this kit apart from other robotics kits is that quad-core 64-bit processor right at its center. It means that stuff like real-time object recognition, facial recognition, networked communication, autonomous vehicle navigation, and more are all incredibly easy. We have step-by-step guides on how to build loads of things on our online learning platform Further, and if you're a seasoned pro, you can dive straight into our GitHub pages. C, Python, ROS, Docker, and .NET are just a few of the technologies that we've already been playing with, and more are being added all the time.